Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create vector images in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Canva and click on Create a Design. This brings up your design options where you can choose from various templates or create something custom. Since we want full control over our vector image, we're going to go with a custom size. Click on Custom Size at the top of the options. Now enter 500 for the width and 500 for the height. These dimensions give you a perfect square canvas that's ideal for icons, logos, or small graphics. Once you've entered those numbers, click Create New Design and your blank canvas will appear. Now that your canvas is ready, it's time to add vector-friendly elements. On the left side of your screen, click on Elements. This opens up Canva's library of graphics, shapes, and icons. Here's the key part. Instead of searching for photos, you want to focus on shapes, icons, or graphics because these are the elements that work best as vectors. Type in keywords like circle, line, arrow, or any icon related to your design idea. The results you see will be clean, scalable graphics that maintain quality at any size. Click on any element you like to add it directly to your canvas. From here, you can resize, rotate, and reposition it however you want. To keep your design truly vector-friendly, stick with simple shapes, clean text, and bold lines. Avoid using raster images or photos, as those won't scale properly when exported as vectors. This approach ensures your final file remains sharp and professional no matter where it's used. If your design needs text, click on the text tool in the left sidebar and type whatever you need. Choose a bold, readable font and position it where it fits best within your layout. Take your time arranging everything so that your design looks balanced and complete before moving to the export stage. This is your chance to perfect spacing, alignment, and color before saving. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to export it as a vector file. Click on Share in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click on Download to begin the export process. Now click on the File Type drop-down menu. By default, Canva might select PNG or JPG, but for vector images, you need to select SVG. This file format keeps your design scalable and editable, which is exactly what vector graphics are all about. If your design doesn't need a white background, make sure to click on the transparent background option. This is especially useful if you plan to place your graphic on top of other designs or colored backgrounds. It gives you flexibility and a cleaner final result. Finally, click the download button to save the SVG file directly to your device. Depending on your browser settings, it will either download automatically or prompt you to choose a location. Give it a moment to process and download, and that's it. You've just created and exported a professional vector image using Canva. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.